I'll be showing you the top inventory planner apps for your Shopify store. For each of these apps, we'll be taking a look at their features, pricing, and reviews so you can decide what's the best fit for your store. Let's dive into our first app here. It's called Inventory Planner by Sage, and it lets you optimize your inventory so you can forecast, replenish, and manage purchase orders. This can have features such as making it easy to create purchase orders. You can save time by automating your PO creation. You're going to get inventory insights and analytics, so you can see sales and inventory data in one place automatically. You can also compare it by location, category, brand, and more. This is going to let you forecast for replenishment and maximize profits with data-driven recommendations that ensure you have inventory when and where customers want it. In terms of pricing, it's free to install, and pricing is going to adapt to your business needs. So if we head over to their site here, it's going to start at $249.99 per month, but there are custom prices as it's based on your store's annual revenue. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.4 stars with 126 5-star reviews. And if we take a look at the AI summary here, merchants highly recommend this app for its effective inventory forecasting and purchase order management. Next up, we have Inventory Planner by Mippler, and it lets you do inventory forecasting and low stock alerts. So it's going to have built-in reports here. You can also create your own customizable inventory reports. You can get the exact information you're looking for. You can get instant and scheduled alerts, such as low stock email alerts every day at 8 a.m. It's also going to give you an inventory dashboard, so you can get a great overview of everything. And in terms of pricing, it's going to be free for up to 100 SKUs, and these starter plans begin at $29.99 per month, and they're going to go up based on the number of SKUs your store has, also the type of Shopify plan. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at a perfect 5 stars. It does have 3 5-star reviews at the time of recording. This merchant said it's a great app. It forecasts inventory, helps them identify winners and loser products, as well as overstock. The third app here is called Automized Inventory Planning. It lets you automate and customize forecasts as well as open to buy plans. So it makes it easy to do forecasting and replenishment. So you can forecast demand and view reorder quantity / timing recommendations. It has an open to buy plan or OTB plans that let you customize open to buy plan for costs, retail amounts, or units. It has analytics and insights as well, so you can monitor key KPIs. In terms of pricing, it starts at $19.99 per month, and it's going to depend on the features you're looking for, as some plans are only for stock alerts, whereas some plans are for forecasting and replenishing, as each feature has a monthly price. You can combine these. There's also a 50% discount with under $200,000 USD in sales for the last 12 months. In terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 5 stars here with a perfect 5-star rating and 9 5-star reviews. If we take a look at the latest review here, this merchant says after searching for months, reading blogs, and testing 6 different apps, they finally came across Automize. And it's like nothing else for small businesses, and it was able to have a smooth integration with ShipHero and Shopify, and it shows them the dates and days they will be out of stock with the current inventory, and overall, the support has been amazing. If you've ever made any sales on Shopify, you really have to know how much profit you've actually made. You have so many different costs, from your cost of goods sold, your shipping costs, your ad spend, your transaction fees, and more, and those all add up. And that's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations, making it super easy to understand how much money your store has actually made. It breaks everything down in an easy to understand dashboard so you can start making smarter business decisions. There's a free 15-day trial so you can test drive everything for yourself, and I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check out Profit Calc. Lastly, we have an app called Monocle AI Inventory Forecasts, so you can demystify the future and build your plan, letting you forecast future demand and never stocking out again. You can capitalize on hidden trends to maximize revenue and sell more to existing customers. This enables you to never guess how much to reorder, and you're also going to get AI generated reorder quantities, and you can know what POs to prioritize. And it lets you manage all your materials in one place to prevent sales bottlenecks and identify areas of inefficiency. In terms of pricing, it starts at $47 per month. If the average monthly order volume is less than 600, then it's going to move up in price depending on the average order monthly volume. We can see $89 a month here if it's over 1,200 orders. In terms of reviews, sitting at a perfect 5 stars with 18 5-star reviews. This latest review here says the app has amazing support, it's very helpful, and they respond in no time. Another user says that the app is simple and straightforward to use, and they love how quickly they can access their inventory levels. So this concludes the video here on the top inventory planning apps for your Shopify store. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.